Hello, my name is Jose. Climate change is increasing dramatically at a fast paced rate and affecting the environment around us. Will the world be able to keep up? Most of us dislike hot weathers, especially during the summer. And with every year passing by, the temperature is steadily increasing slowly, thus affecting wildfires and ice melting worldwide, as well as species such as mosquitoes thriving in the heat. Is this the world that we want to leave behind for future generations? In today's speech, I will be talking about how electronics can help reduce the increase of climate change. These electronics include computers or tablets, an electric car, and windmills or solar panels. With climate change increasing, a main factor that helps reduce carbon dioxide and convert it into oxygen are trees. Trees are heavily known for producing pencils and papers, so they unfortunately are cut down and manufactured into pencils and papers. A substitute for pencils and papers would be computers and tablets. This can be very useful in the school environment since we mainly use those when we were in person. But now, ever since COVID-19, we have started doing online school, which has been very helpful for the environment. We have done note taking, homework, assignments, worksheets, etc. For the use of paper and pencils to do our work. But online we can convert it into documents, especially now. And note taking can be done on applications such as Google Docs or Word. And did you know that every year about 14 billion pencils are created, and by those 14 billion pencils, about 82,000 trees are cut down and manufactured to those pencils. And of course, businesses or work environments can also use the computers and tablets to help decrease climate change and reduce it. Transportation by car is heavily relied on, especially in today's society. The cars produce greenhouse emissions, such as carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide, to increase the climate change. But a substitution for the typical car would be an electric car. An electric car creates fewer emissions, helping create a clean environment for the world. This works because burning gasoline fuel creates more emissions than generating electricity. So basically, gas creates more greenhouse emissions, such as carbon dioxide, than electricity does. But with the creation of generating electricity, we need a solution for this. And a solution would be creating an electronics that would help us create more electricity. An electronic that would help us move past this would be solar panels and windmills. Solar, panels and windmills are created by the climate basically, such as solar panels are used to create energy by the sun, and windmills are usually create energy by the wind. And solar panels usually are set on buildings and houses to help provide energy for those buildings or houses. And windmills also create energy or electricity by the wind flowing into the windmills. And these are very beneficial for the world because they would help reduce climate change by not creating any greenhouse emissions such as carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide. In conclusion, using electronics such as computers and tablets, an electric car, or windmills or solar panels can help reduce the increase of climate change. So whether it's the installation of a solar panel in your house or using your computer for schoolwork, it still helps reduce the increase of climate change, thus helping the environment and helping future generations